How to get $50 Lowe's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Lowe's.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Lowe's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, you will get the discount. But where can you find Lowe's promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Lowe's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. You can open any of these websites. Using any of these websites, you can get working promo codes for Lowe's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're going to find tons of deals and offers. You can see that 20% coupon code, 50% offer, $10 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on copy code. So here's the code, you can copy it and head towards the website of Lowe's. Log into your account. While you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. In this page, you're going to find amazing offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Lowe's. Well, this way you can easily get up to $50 Lowe's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.